Hi guys! Welcome to Unboxing Sensation. Now we're gonna unbox a Omni Tower Fan. You can buy this at Costco for around $49.99. The stand. So we're gonna remove the screw here. And you put it like this. This is how to put it.
Hi. Oh no.
Now, if it's together, you put it together, put it underneath and screw it with this one. And right now, we're gonna turn on. And it's on right now. And if you want to turn, soft touch, and it circulates. It circulates left and right. And this is the fan. And it makes it more cooler. It's nighttime mode. And this is the timer. There you go. And turn off. And this is the manual. And this is the remote of the electric fan. So let's try it. To remove this one first here. And then on. There, you can do the electric fan up to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the timer, and this is the circuit. Oh, there's fan and night mode, and there's the and this is it. Turn off. And this is the 2 fan. Oh no. It works with the 2 fan. This is the Omni Breeze, the first version, and this is the second version. They are same quality and it works well in turn on generation remote. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.